Traders. Yo. Let me get my chat up. All right. Good morning, everyone. Got a couple longs going on here. $451R. 450 first target. And 450. And then we're swinging. Ooh, one tick Rick on the outside of it. Or one tick above. Oh, nope. Parallel. 0375 is the culprit so far. What do we got on volume? Volume looks okay. Not great. Not anything to write home to Ma about. Hope everybody's good today. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Mandatory Metallica Monday. What happened to my... what happened to my mouse in the last 10 seconds? What happened? Stop. What are you doing? All right. Go. All right, we're outside the narrowest range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're outside the narrowest range of the last 7 days. Come on, fill me at 450, baby. All right, 450's out. Oops. I keep hitting the wrong button. 9 final. I'm creeping death. Ha ha ha. All right, so here's what I'm looking at. On the daily chart, we're under the 200. Excuse me, we're above the 200. We're under the 20, but everything is pointing to the upside. Okay, so now what we want to look at here is, do we get through the fair value gap? So now we have 0875 to 2325. 0875 to 2325 on the daily chart. Because all of the little FVGers, right? Think about it. Either they win or they don't. Either they get their chance to short it here or they don't. You guys see the signals? Matt, do you see the strongest signal that I trade right now that says you must stay long? David, you've been struggling with this for about 2 years, buddy. On the daily chart, this is not complicated math. Literally, you ask this question every time. What am I missing? I think you're trying to include Sunday night. That's my best guess because I don't know. It can't be any clearer. My eyes are watering. Woo, let's go. All right. So back to what we were doing. Yeah. So we're narrow. We're outside narrow range. So we're not using the K channels. All right. But what we're looking at is this is the strongest signal that I have. Here's the add. So on the 4 hour chart, it's a little clearer. Okay, because the first way we're going to look at it is through the eyes of the 8, 20, and 200, right? So look at how we're holding the 4 hour. It's a four. It would be a 3 bar play, but you can call this a 4 bar play. Inverted hammer setup. And so now we got to work our way back through the fair value gap on the daily chart right here. Let's draw, while we're on it, let's draw the 50% retracement level because that's very important. $63.54. Perfect. Okay, looking at the 15 minute, we're fractal long for an extended period of time. There's a chance. Now, follow me for a second here. There's a chance we could stay extended upwards or sideways to upwards, if we will, or not go down to meet this 200. Remember, there's two ways you can meet the 200: price or time. People forget about time. All right? We don't. The market doesn't. The market is priced by time, right? This is just your interpretation of the data that's given. Whatever you see right here, whatever you see right, hold on, let me figure out here. Whatever you see right here, okay, it's just your interpretation of whatever's on the screen. Just data that's on the screen. How do you interpret it? Greed, fear, success, failure, pain, happiness, freedom, option. Right? How do you perceive this? That's the only thing that you have to figure out. Therefore I am. I'm not sure that I like this monitor setup. It just don't seem to be like primo spot. I haven't found the niche location for them yet. Huh, huh. Shape shift. All right. On the 2 hour Joey chart, look at the hold here look at the grab at 62.56.75. So now, does the grab hold or not? Here's what we know. These lines have proven as data that we can interpret in our own way. Pivots, Mancini's. You trade to it, you trade from it. You trade away from it, you trade to it. You figure out, when do I trade which line? What line means what, right? So now, what we're looking for is when you get a bunch of lines together, that's called noise. When you get a bunch of lines that aren't, this is noise. Signal. Noise. Signal. Does it make a new session of noise? Does it create noise? Or does it revert back to a prior position of noise? Okay? Structure. Look left. Context. Okay? So let's go back. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's take off the KISS chart for a second here. And let's bring in what we just looked at. So the way that I'm looking at this, touch of red, okay, but not first touch. It is first touch of red in order, Mr. Joey. We didn't touch 64.89 on the daily chart. We went right back to the prior high. Now, do we go to the prior high, or do we go back to where there was the most? Yes, I was going to do that. Okay, good. Yes, where there was the most noise, right? Because where's the easiest place to chop the retail trader up? Noise in the largest time frame. Noise in the smallest time frame, and it works its way up, right? So now fractally, okay, everybody always thinks about the fractal going down. Oh, if there's noise in the big one, is there noise in the little one? If there's noise in the little one, is there noise in the big one? How about we trade where there's noise on both? Ah, lovely, lovely. Novel idea, sir. So we're going to wait for that. No. Say, don't tread on me. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's do the same thing. Touch me again with the words that you will evermore. Little harder to see. Little harder to see here, okay? Because we've got so many boxes. So 63.61 was the over under. It went above it and then went straight through it. So if it went straight through it, you have to look at, well, where would it go if it went straight through 63.51 to noise? Now, what you're going to notice is noise never got too distorted. Red never went under white and printed a price there. Do they recreate new noise somewhere right here? Do you see it? Do you see how we're dissecting this? Tell me what the next thing I'm looking at on this chart is. Pay attention to what I just said. Rewind it and play it at 3 times speed if you didn't catch it. With what I just said, What are we actually looking for now on this chart? You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, 15-minute chart. I do not change this one. This one is always the KISS chart because we can just go to this next one. But let's go right here first. So for us to get out of noise on the 2 hour, we have to make it through 1250 or 56. All right, so now here's where we go down into the microscopic time frame, and we start to look at where could it go down to, up to, that kind of thing. So the first thing that we want to see is we have a lot of noise here, but everything is to the downside on the 45-minute chart. So now, do they just wallow around in the noise, or do they blast back through, or do we come down and create a signal, which would mean we would resume the trend lower, right? Or do we go right back up to the noise around 64.30? We don't know. Okay, the next thing we're watching, the 15-minute chart with the Joey on it, right? So now let's go all the way out here. Let's see what I see. We did not hit this. Joey pointed this out. We did not hit 6471 and it failed. And when it didn't hit 6471, after hitting, remember it hit out here on the 15-minute or whichever, 45-minute, I'm sorry, here. Once we came back through it, it really, really did some work. It really, really did some work to the downside in terms of negotiation to a lower price. Right? They marked it down quickly. Right? So now here was the coolest trade. Right? Now this is the 15-minute chart, so your stops are wider, so you go down in contract size. Look at first touch red after we go in order. Red, white, blue, first touch red, sell. Clean, clean. Right, now what? Let's watch them find out. Do we go back into the 81 to 94s? Do we hold it? Do we not go? Do we touch it and go up? Do we go straight through it? This is the part where we wait and let it tell us the next move. We're in noise on the 5-minute. Look at how it hits its head on the 2-minute and just falls back. White on red. At the 8 EMA on the 4 hour. Factory orders 10 a.m. That's it. That's it. Okay, so then next tomorrow, uh, International Trade in Goods 8:30, PMI final, ISM services. Um, Not much here this week, folks. Jobless claims on Thursday, consumer credit 3 p.m. Thursday, 30-year bond auction 1:01 p.m. for the results. 10-year note auction on Wednesday, right? So Wednesday at 1:01, Thursday at 1:01. Folks, that's not a whole lot to go with there. Watching O one and above. Nom 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 nom. 0050. 0050. Snakerton. Ringing in your head. Smoke the day's last cigarette. All right, there it is. Look at that. Shown. Nom 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 nom. 30 second also. 30 second also. Familino. Familino. Bow, bow, bow. While you judge me, take a look at you. And let's go ahead and get it in the air. Let's go ahead and get a cheers. Sorry, I forgot to move the camera, guys. Fire the producer. Oh, wait, that's me. Oh, cheers. Tommy, keeping it real. I was marking my yellows. I'll be right back. All right, what have we got here? Sitting at 02. Is this the perfect accumulation for them to pull it, or are they going to pull the plug on this bad boy? Stops up. 97.25. Beside you. Here we go. 15 seconds. Either they're going to dump it or they're going to go straight 09s. Here we go. Oh, 02's the over under. There we go. There we go. Stop to 01. There we go. 08, 08, 09, 09 final. 09 final. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get that bag. There you go. Oh! 0750 is going to give us some errors, some problems here. No, no fill. No fill. Stop. There you go. Okay. Joey has 45 on the 45 minute. Beside you.
It's got 3 long, about to take target 1 and 2 ticks. And then it's got another target at 26. And I'm installing a language model on my computer to run my logistics SaaS. I'll have you guys on mute. Morning.
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 Mr. Cam, Mr. Ryan, Mr. Zach. Morning, morning, morning. We are live, and we hit our 09 target. Zach, you got a target up here, buddy?
Just got filled.
Yeah, I was at 09, 0875. So now, here's the one thing, Zach. I don't know if you have the stream going, but I'm going to show. There is a daily fair value gap that people will be looking at 0875 to 2325. So anywhere in there. Either they're going to turn it around or they ain't. Go. I am flat though. Holy guacamole, we're hitting it. I can't wait to get my boom boom stick.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
Let's go.
You got more than that in there, dude. It's full.
What's up?
It's a full-on care package.
A full-on care package. I'm so excited. Yep. I can hardly wait. Let's go.
I try to think of all the problems you have in your life. Now I could fix them. And I set one item for each.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm in. Wow, this is ripping.
Stops up. 12, 11 and a quarter.
Let's go.
Hold on to 95 to support. 95.
I hear the rose water.
Rose water?
I hear rose water.
Knick-knack, boom boom stick. Everything's on board.
Let's go. Sweep the leg is 975. Stop would be 625. 75.
Flat. Trail out. Flat. Okay, let's go back to this. Let's see. 95 support. Okay. 605. Got it. 11. Crush that. 19 plus.
Oh man, 1675 next target if you're in. I was bidding below this bar. It is taking this bar on a stretch, right? So there's your ignition. That is the perfect ignition off of O2. So yeah, so where do we get in to capture more upside? That is what I'm watching. 1675 1R if you're in this. Let me draw it. Look at that, man. I was bidding below. Cancel bid. 2R's 20, 25. Man, these painted bars are the shiznit. Woo! Good. They give us lots of data. Oh, that's why I can't see it. It's on the wrong dang thing. We're crushing it. I got the exact low, 98.50. Bink. Wow, they own it. Let's see. Mancini's are 63, 05, 11, 19. Wow. Okay. There's your 19. Yeah, bottom. Hold runners. 19 plus. He doesn't even have a number for above there. He's like, oh, wow. Huh. Below 95 is 82, 57, and 60. Thank you. Okay, the 23 is the top side of the daily fair value gap. $19.25 is the prior swing low. Am I reading that right? 18.75, sorry. It's quite the bounce, boys. Quite the bounce. Quite the bounce. Wow, that 13.25 was money. Quickie. Everybody should be green. It was very apparent that they were taking the inventory, and we got several painted bars.
Do you even trade, bro?
Another long. There's no way. 22.
Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Good morning.
Mr. G-Man himself and Mr. Joey is in the house. Okay, I cannot enter up here, but there is a 2025, just like there was a 1325. I'm going to pass. 2325 gets through the fair value gap. What do they do with it? New all-time highs? Another 100 points up.
This is where I need my boom boom stick because shit, I'm late to the party. Damn.
G-Man.
1.0. 1.0, brother.
He was there. G-Man,
Yes,
look at my best fill was 98.50. Go ahead and Enjoy it. Order filled.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know if you can see my screen or not, sir, but there it is. Yeah, bottom. Completed business.
Sheesh.
Who's this guy?
Damn, Zach. Round number.
Loud number. Loud number holds on the 45-minute there, sir.
Tracking.
Perfectly. 2 hour. 2 hour. Kookaburra.
I think 22 may be a little problematic. I'm looking at it. I'm not going to short it, but that's a good number.
Lot of tape at 1975. There's your warning, guys. Either they take it, either they absorb this, or this is completing.
You scared, Cam? Or you scared of 22? You shouldn't be worrying about 22. You should be worrying about 28.
Great
That's
job,
your
buddy.
next-
My algo just put in a stop in to buy breakout of 22.5.
Ugh.
You're making me second guess it there, bud.
You good?
No,
Yeah.
there's-
It's got to
There
pull
you
back
go.
first.
I mean, it's pulling back, so it's fine. That's good. It's flagging. That's what I want. But
Yeah. This
You
is
got-
kinda,
You got 28 and 50.
for me, it's not overextended for me yet. It's got to probably go into like the 27 to 35, somewhere close to there.
Look at your 2-minute Joey.
yeah. I mean, this is crazy.
Look at your 2-minute Joey
Two-minute
rejection
Joey.
bar.
Oh,
The next up there, Ryan, is 28.
Oh, yeah, it's a white line. I see that. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Well, I'll let it go to town here.
ooh, that
Come
Joey
on.
chart.
Stop me in.
20,
Pound
22
time.
is Joey.
Mm-hmm.
28,
That's
30.
why I
You do
didn't-
math
That's
now.
big on the 45 too. Same
Yeah.
number.
Yeah. Watch Joey. Watch the Joey chart here on the 45 as well. Same exact number, guys. When you see
The
him line up
return.
like that, yeah, you got to just chill. That was the target. Copy that.
Ryan, I just sent it to you. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas.
Let's go. Throw that in chatter, please, so they can see it. Thank you. And then on the daily, 23.25 is your fair value gap.
See you. Yeah, I gotcha. Nice.
That 30 is super, super, super major. If we can take that 30 out, hold on to your skirt, ladies.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. 32.75 on the 5-minute. You have 63.79 on your 15-minute, which is nowhere near here. So do they go to 94 or 81 before they go to 63.80? Who's a little bit loud? Who is that? Mr. Z-Man. Your hearing aid needs to get turned up. Turn your speakers down. They're going to take, look at that. They swept a leg at 17.25 53 times, and they said, thank you. We'll take those. You guys see that? Perfectly. Perfectly. They are that good.
Cam, remember the narratives. If you bought the round number, you're going to 30, and your next up after 30 is
Look at this thing.
52.
I'll go long target. I'll go long 28 and a quarter or 28 and a half.
All right, well, your next up
Target.
is 30 and 52 after that.
I'll be off at 28 and a half.
Wow, that's
How do I get in?
17.25. Well, it was at
How do I get in?
17.25.
I just took the breakout.
That's what I'm looking at.
You see the 50s?
It's
Zach?
a 1 minute. Let me see. It was a 1 minute breakout
I am scared to
My
look at the
chart.
1-minute chart.
for a 6-point target.
Where do I get in?
Yeah, but
17.25. Wait, too late.
oh, just got another one. Shoot one more. Elephant bar. Boom, at 25.
You are too excited about
You
this,
you
sir.
get in at 95. That's where you get in.
95.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
Let me see. hey, G-Man, there you go. Hey, Merry Christmas to you.
Ain't nobody, hey, ain't nobody
It
buying up
was
here
a
but you. Only one buying up
2
here is
minute.
you.
2-minute breakout.
No.
That's okay. Hey, I'm just gonna let it do whatever it does, man.
The tape is
I'm
at
installing
19.
ChatGPT on my computer. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see what happens, I guess, right?
No, it's probably going to go up. I'm
My
not going
data
to be with it.
assures.
I am not going to be
I
joining
don't
it.
know.
The entry was at 2025.
My rules say don't touch the algo, let it do whatever it's going to do, and go
I
do something
agree.
else.
I agree.
It already outperforms me by a lot, so I just gave up.
Perfect.
Mr. Patience.
I am up 12 points. I'm chilling. Is that right? 12? Yeah, 12. Almost 13. Yeah, I missed it at 20 quarter because I wanted to get in at 17 quarter or like 9 3/4. Nope. Nope.
Amazing.
All right. Where are we going on this one? 34, 30, 32.75 on the 5 minute since we just got the super.
1 off. 8.5. T1. T1 off.
There it is.
We're going 28. We're going 28. 28 gives you 52 if it confirms.
Perfect.
Stops up. 24.
Here's your 28 bank.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Yep.
If this can confirm, we're going.
Keep going, baby.
Zach, did you get back in?
No.
Yeah, it's scary up here, isn't it? Oh, lordy. 5 minute, 5 minute looking yuck.
I just wanted to get in front of the train. I should have, but
yeah.
You keep rules. Rules are rules.
I had a 94.50 ad below the 98.50 ad, and that gave me one of them, not both of them. So, well, I got out of 09, and that's the way the cookie crumbles. Oh, first 15-minute bar is completed. It is a big, huge buy signal right on coming up to the 200 simple.
Oh, look at it go. It's throwing out here on a 2 minute.
What?
Come on. Go
Dude,
ahead.
are you
Go.
sitting on something
Push
vibrating?
it.
What are you
There
doing?
You
What are you doing over there?
Me?
Yeah, what are you doing? You sitting on
I'm
something
getting super
vibrating?
excited because I'm installing this language model on my computer to go run my software, and I'm just super amped up today. But it's like a new toy, Christmas Day.
28.75.
My points keep going.
Here's your 30, Kim. Decision right here, Kim. You watching?
Come on.
All right.
6
I
point stop.
have no business here, so I'm kind of like whatever.
You need this to close and rip, or if it doesn't confirm, it sweeps. Watch out for the blood. There's only two things that can happen here: close and rip, sweep and dump.
And where are you getting the 30 at? You drew it and sent it, right? That's right. You have the picture of it. Okay.
If it doesn't go up, it's going to go down.
Yes, Zach. Yes.
If it doesn't go up, if the buyers come in, that means it might go up.
Solid analysis. God.
Valid analysis. Here's your 32.75 on the 5 minute. Uh-oh. Decision point. Major decision. Oh, another buy signal? I can't.
Montini's 33, right? Yeah.
I cannot buy again and again and again. Look at this. It just says stay long. Look at this.
But
Unreal.
33. The 33 is from last week, Kim. So if you zoom out a little bit, you're gonna see where it was support, then it became resistance. So that's why the 33 is major.
Okay.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
It's really clear on the 45 minute, Cam.
Yeah. Yep.
So then
It is the
30,
pivot,
right?
'cause we're gold again.
63.29. Yeah, I see it. So I see it. Yeah, on the 4 hour, you got a double 29.75. That's rather muy importante.
They are paying on a Monday morning. This is
at 32. Look at that. He just paid 1,300 times at 32. Gee.
I'm tracking, boss. I'm tracking. I see
What
it.
in the
That's why I said right here. This is major right here. So be careful. Don't get burnt right here. Either we rip and go from right here, or this is decision to accumulate.
Yeah, I'm going to have to agree with the analysis here. It really is saying, all right, let's chill and see. Because if we don't get above 34 on the 45 minute, which is the actual CS, so if we go down, what's on the 15? Nothing. For all 63.80 or 62.94. 5 minute says no. 2 minute says pullback area is 22, right, Joey? Do we agree with that? Got a CS, but they're about to take red over white on the 5. Joey says, what's the quickest way to pull it in order? Well, just like that.
Hold the runner to 45.
Just like that.
45 and 61. Mancini's out. I'll go long 30, 29.
Joey, don't you have 45 on the 45?
You have a runner, Ryan. Hold for 46.
Joey has 45 on the 45. Mancini has 45. So
61.
Ladies and gentlemen,
45 and 61 Mancini.
Yeah, 45, 51, correct. You see the zone, right? I sent you the zone. You see it on my chart?
Yeah, no, I saw it. No, I know. I'm just adding the Mancinis also.
Yeah.
On my 15 minute.
If you have a runner, hold for 45. But here's the thing. If that 33 don't confirm, don't hold it. There's no point of giving back the ring.
Mm-hmm. Right here. It's right on the chart. Clear as day. Because it goes all the way back to 22 on the 2 minute. And on the 5 minute, it goes all the way back to the snake at 02. So that's a lot of opportunity risk.
And on the 15, you can either get back 3 or 305. Correct. I see you.
94 or red would be 01.
I'm showing we're in the oversold area. That doesn't mean anything we can embed, but that bar pushed us into it. Or overbought, rather, not sold. Sorry. Backwards.
How's everybody in the chat doing today? You guys enjoying the round table approach to this? I think it's pretty beneficial for everyone to hear the different ways. All right, so now 29 seller, just like he was a buyer at 32. Right above that 1400 at 29. He did another 1300 at quarter. We did get above
275 is the crime scene.
We did get above that daily fair value gap. Does it come back to it?
Fair value what?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Right, we're gonna change the fair value gap talk to imbalances being filled.
I'm down.
Ooh, I like that. That's smarter.
So then that would be at 57.25, right?
Correct. Yep.
Let's go. And that's on the 4-hour chart.
Did anybody get a chance to load that NinjaTrader indicator I loaded in Discord?
Oh yeah, that's what I meant to bring up. It didn't work for me. I keep getting errors.
I'm getting it. The volumetric thing, the volumetric.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm using it. It's really cool.
Okay, so it's me.
It worked for me.
Did you input it, Kim, or you did?
No, I just imported it, the whole thing, like a zip file, and just went through.
Yeah, you just download the zip file to like wherever you want it, folder up, whatever, and then you You import it as a zip file.
Okay.
Oh, trying to get filled to 2875.
import it
You
as
rotten bastards.
as a script add-on.
Oh, they're going to no-fill me.
Tools
Script add-
import. Yeah, Ninja script add-on.
All right.
Canceling orders. I tried to get 2875. They made a nice little stop there for it.
This is the message I keep getting, and
Is it pinned? Is it in the drive?
One off
Where-
at
where's it?
32 and a half. Let's go.
Yeah, Gmail now.
Okay, it's
I'm
in
listening.
there. Go ahead.
And any of those hit no until you buy Matic Videa, and then hit yes.
yes, yeah, yeah. I think I might. It says I have a duplicate.
Yeah,
No
you say
fill.
yes or something. You're like, okay, yeah, it's duplicate. It doesn't matter. And,
I did.
and then it'll kind of like,
I had 33 and a quarter. I got 35 and 38 and a half. Next targets.
Fill there. Cancel the order. I just tried to buy the blue again. No
Got
matter
a
what.
1,000 volume long and a 1 minute breakout.
Notice how they swept the leg on the blue perfectly. 25.50. Look at that. That is incredible. This is strong. 26.50. So 26. They swept it, bought it back, sold it at 31.50. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
It's
Let's get busy, people. Let's get busy. Wow, clean.
yeah. I'm not playing with that. I'm not playing with that 33.
Look at that 32.50 on the smallest time frame. Yikes. Ruh-roh.
Ooh, yeah. That's a big bar. At 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Says long, right? I mean, it's saying be long at 24.25, but your stop is 150. I'm going to pass on that. Ooh, look at volume. Skew right
not
hard.
run argument. Install Microsoft Store.
16 is very vulnerable, folks. I'm going to remind you, as this gets skewed right even more, look at your 16s and your 75s. 62.75 and 63.16 and 63.10. Yikes. Those are weak spots. Skew right. So if it's skew right, are they accumulating? Are they accumulating?
whoa,
63.50.
all right. Holy smokes.
One off at 35 and a half. One left, 38.50.
Great job, everybody. First 30-second red, Joey. Did you see that? That lined up with the 2-minute long at 28.75. Created the stop, 25.25. Boink.
Can I drag and drop it in my indicators? But it's not working. See that? Let me try that.
Can you send that again over in the Discord? Because I do not see it.
I pinned it, so it should be in the pin messages.
Cam, send me the one you're using. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, so pinned messages. I saw that somewhere. Where did at the beginning of time?
I can
Move the
look for
target
it.
up
I'm
to
not
45
trading right
instead of
now.
38.
I have nothing to do here.
Yeah, I can't enter up here. This is a
Got
trailing
my
long
final
area.
at 45, 44 and a quarter.
It's a great exit, Ryan. Joey's been looking for 45 this whole time. That's why he's so quiet.
I'm just letting it fucking run right now. I'm watching it go up while I'm trying to install this shit on the
You
other
don't-
screen.
You don't listen. I told you dump the run
Six
at.
pointer. Keep rolling.
Joey, where'd you go?
Yeah, but G-Man, I've already been out. I've already taken like 7 trades. Well, Algo has taken like 7 or 8 entries and exits already. It's all within. I mean, it's trading. They're all coordinated trade. What you're saying, but they have 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and like about 6 different trading styles, all coordinated to point in the same direction, basically. So I'm with you. I'm trading the same thing you're saying. Yeah. Well, watching it rather.
Here comes 45.
Indicators. Drag and drop.
Let's go, Gito. All right, Team Green, stay frosty with Gita. 1400 before 10 a.m. He says, I'm out. Let's go. You got another huge buy signal on the 15-minute chart. Oh, my gosh. Folks, don't short. Oh, don't short, don't short.
Is anybody here with Mancini?
Say that again, Zach.
Has anybody here ever communicated with Mancini?
I know some people that thought they were talking to Mancini. You fucking gullible clowns. Oh my God. I tell every one of you, I tell every one of you, he's not going to contact you ever. Did you listen? No, you didn't. All of you didn't listen to me. Listen, he's got 209,000 followers. He's not ever going to talk to you. He doesn't need to.
I had some good back and forth with him on Twitter.
Yeah, well, if it's public. That DM from Nigeria, how is that working?
Perfectly.
Good.
You didn't get the cryptos I sent you?
Oh, bro. He was like, yo, man, my prince is stuck over there. And I just need 6 Bitcoin. No, he'll only do it publicly.
Twitter anymore. I'm getting fucking sold XP like a mother.
Yeah.
They're in the pump phase.
Yeah, it's everywhere. And the YouTube algo's letting it hit too. It's yucky.
I love that. You know what's funny is that you used to go get your hair cut and your barber would be like, yeah, what do you think about it? What do you think about Nvidia? Yeah, like that shit used to happen all the time, right? But now I have the absolute dumbest people in the world like calling me, lecture me on how blockchain works.
Mm-hmm. My eyes glaze over quickly. It's like they say, what do you do for a living? It's like, oh man, I really don't want to tell you. This guy said, what's your name online? I said, Sage FT. He said, ooh, that's a terrible name. You need to change that. I said, you don't even know what it means, so shh, stop talking.
G-Man, I have a major Zach 2.0 crisis going on right now.
Talk to us.
Talk to me.
If it's clean.
I have no hair on the top of my head, but I've got a major beard, and that beard needs to be shaped. Dude, my fucking you have no idea how hard it is to find a good big beard shaper. As far as a barber, everybody thinks they can do it, but I've had it botched so many times. I finally found a guy who's incredible. He used to do all the beards for like on Hollywood sets for like Sons of Anarchy and stuff like that. The guy was phenomenal. I go in there for a haircut on Friday, or for a beard trim on Friday, and then little girl in the front goes, yeah, he's not in here today, and we can't get a hold of him. So I text him on his private cell phone, and I'm getting the went to what is that where it doesn't go through to them, but it gets like dead. You get like a dead phone response, like it comes back in green. Fucking guy died.
What?
What?
That's not what I was
Holy
expecting you to say.
Fucking guy died.
What?
So now I'm on a fucking search and destroy for beard barber. But you know what? I'm gonna reel him in with my brain.
First world problems.
No, correct. I was just about to say that.
And Andy, I didn't kill him, but I think he got intimidated.
By the beard. Yeah. Oh, this one.
He got scared.
Scared.
He got scared.
Okay, 30 does 32.20 does 32.75 hold, or do we go 20? What was the other one? 21.
Wait, trading crisis. I think I thought about that about 20 years ago, and that's not satisfactory. It doesn't work. Ask anybody that owns a barber license if they can trim a beard. They'll say yes.
They'll say, "Sure, come on in."
And this thing takes about a year to grow out, and they go. It's like trimming a hedge, and they go right into the. And you're like, all right, I'm gonna fucking murder you.
Cut. We'll make sure to clip that out.
Trailed out flat.
37:15 minutes says, hold on a second here. Hold on. Slow
You
your
say
roll.
you flat, Ryan?
Yeah, that last runner, the trail, tightened up too much on it. It was a 1 minute chart, so that's not a big deal.
The move just confirmed to you there's so much juice left in it. What are you talking about? Where you going?
Oh no, it's still on long only mode. It's just that specific 1 minute trade is done.
Hey, midlife, where do you
I've got
live?
12 others running.
Look at your 15-minute. It says we're going to the moon. But what do I know?
I see it. Look how steep that 200 is, though.
Yeah,
Maybe
like
a little chop action here.
when I was up in Utah, it was no problem. But now that I'm down in Vegas, like everybody wants to give me like the Latino handlebar shit, or what do they call it, chin strap thing.
I could just see it.
That's not how I wanted, essay. I was gonna tell him, big beard, think white supremacist.
What? Oh, you see their face? Oh. Not literally. Santa Claus. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Like think Duck Dynasty, except with a little more style.
Yeah, you don't want it shaped like Santa Claus. And you don't want it to look like Duck Dynasty
Long.
like Andy.
37 and a half.
Dude, if I touch for like 3 months, I end up looking like Jack Black.
Add if it breaks 40 and a half.
You go square bottom or round bottom, Zach? Pointed bottom. Wait, I can look at your picture. Round. I see it.
Right.
Yeah, I see it. Guys, they're trying to unload here, so just wait until it confirms again before you do anything. I think. Listen, we need to sweep first. They need to reload. We're above. There are some weak points. What was that guy's name? Zach. What was your buddy's name? Was it Hank? Where's Hank? Remember we tried to teach him volume profile? Wasn't that his name?
No. I had a Hank. I don't know what you're talking about though.
What was your buddy's name? When my ex-wife would come in, I moved my computer to the garage and she'd come out of the garage yelling. What was that guy's name that we traded with? We were trying to show him volume profile.
Oh shit, I don't remember.
Remember he put $500 in. It was like blasted it out. I was like, oh, nope. After we told him not to do it.
Dude, I remember 5 weeks ago, let alone 15 years ago. I don't know.
I got you.
Dude, I tried to help so many people.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, that's why we just stream it and
I had so many people. I got an hour in the morning. Can you help me? And I'm like, yeah, 1 hour. All right. See when these two MAs cross over, just go short.
Wait, what else? Nothing. What, really? Yeah. It's all in your head.
I bought a PDF for $19.95, and it says to go long when the 1 minute bar turns green. Yeah, okay, good.
You're good. You're good. All right, here we go. 3275 test. First test of the day, folks. And we called that no buy up there because the tape got thick. The thickens. He sold 500 there. Yeah, he's sold 3,000 so far up here, right? Or 2,000 up here. Yeah. Just looking at the delta, which I don't trade the delta, but I'm reading it right here. Right, he's trying to buy. Okay, he's trying to buy. He gets absorbed. Okay, and then he gets absorbed. It comes back up. He tries to buy. He gets absorbed, and now they're marking down the price. Right, simple business. Right. Shares have changed hands. Now somebody has a different value in mind. Very, very simple, folks. We don't need to make it all the cool little terms and nonsense that the guys on the internet try to tell you. Zach, Zach, when was the first time you ever heard of ICT?
Right now.
Okay, and have you been profitable in the past?
I think so. Yeah,
Okay.
my accountant's. Yeah.
Okay. So your accountant says you've been profitable. You live in usually about a 6,000 square foot house. You drive anywhere between a Porsche, whatever the thing is, and the other thing, and right, and then and you've never heard of ICT until now, right? Or maybe a couple days ago, maybe something like that.
Yeah, no idea. Right.
Okay, perfect. That's the summary. That's the beginning, middle, and end.
What was that guy you saw late on a Saturday night? He had to have my $35. Remember I had like an argument with him. He's like, "Oh, I'm not gonna make not Lou, but another guy."
Wasn't it curly haired guy Sykes?
No. Oh, dude,
Or was it Alex?
I ran into him. I ran into Sykes at the F1 race last year in Vegas.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I said, "I go what? No laptop? No. I'm not no."
No phone
Wi-Fi?
calls. No Wi-Fi. I'm watching the race, man.
I'll tell you what. He was funny though. He picked up his cell phone. He goes, "I am short." Blah blah blah. And I'm like, "All right, cool." I closed my door. I have a Rhodesian Ridgeback dog, and when he gets excited, he sounds like Chewbacca.
And that is the 61.8 of what, Cam? Half position. Go ahead.
This is a more based of a liquidity grab in fib extension. So I'm still waiting for a long, but I saw the little pattern in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It said I'm gonna crash here, and so I took it. Yeah,
worked. And you're short where?
Yeah, I mean, 37.
37.
I don't think
and that's the 2 minute chart. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's just a red over green.
You see it?
Perfect.
Yeah, boom, 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 and it gives 6 points, but I don't know if it's going to give any more. It's a nice place for it to come back, but I mean the real trade for me is lower for sure, lower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
love it. Perfect. Sweet. Can you share a picture of that in the Trader Chatter for us?
Oh, sure.
Thank you. I am still waiting to see what this 32.75 on the Joey chart does. Did Joey have to leave? Joey? Joey. He was here for a minute. Maybe he thinks he's here and he's just talking to nobody. Joey the Tank. If 36 doesn't recover on the 30-second chart here, we got Might have a little bit of a supply issue here. Oh boy, there is a long.
Brian's in fire.
Yeah, he's killing it. Well, his
Just
his
adding,
computer's
adding,
killing it.
adding. Right. I'm out. It's a quick scalp.
I don't even look at it until I hear order filled. But it just took, it had 4 deep. It just took off 1. Got another ad at 40 and a quarter. It's got a target at 42.75 and then a runner to 73, but it probably won't stay on that long.
Yeah, you're almost at 2R if you're just taking the candle. 36.25, 38.25. I've got 39.50. Okay, stops up, everybody. Stops up. 32.25. God, I can't move my stop again. What did it get to? It got to 39. I got a 39.50. I can't lose on this trade. So 34.50. Unfortunately, 34.50. Stop. Free trade. Let's go. Look at it. Look at how they look
40
at how
and a half.
look at 34.25, guys. Look at my pink bar, everybody. You want to learn how to read tape? Look at how they absorbed it and smacked them. Okay, this is what pain looks like. Okay, look at how he tried to sell 34.25. Ouch. We smacked him. Look at my entry. We smacked him. Okay, not anybody else. We did. Boom. There you go. Look at that. So here's the deal. You can either continue to struggle trading, or you can pay someone to show you how to stop struggling. Those are your two choices. Does everybody on this call agree with it?
Practice does not make perfect. Perfect practice makes perfect.
That's right. And so, yes, the answer is yes. They were all muted, and somehow we lost 3 people on this call in the past 5 seconds here. I don't know what happened. So, yes, think about it. Right now, I'm going to leave the link to it. Okay, either you're sick and tired of being sick and tired. Okay, or you're going to work on becoming such a good trader that you're going to work your way to being on this call with me and Zach and G-Man and Joey. Okay? Those are your two choices, right? Otherwise, just look, I'm dead serious. Quit.
I'm here. I have a lot going on right now.
You're good. You're good. Quit if you're not going to take this as serious as the guys on this phone call. Because listen how this works. And these guys are going to tell you the same thing. They're going to take your fucking lunch and the sporty fucking hat on your head if you don't. Okay? If you think I'm playing, keep doing what you're doing, and the money goes this way. We don't want to trade against you.
Rock Doc, you can be consistently shitty too. So that's, you want to, that's why we always say perfect practice. Perfect practice is the important part, right? I mean, you can be consistently bad.
I was consistently bad, consistently. All of us were. Everybody has done the same thing. The question is, how long do you want to remain consistently incorrect? Let's remove the word bad because that's a negative connotation. How long do you want to continue having the imperfect system? Okay, that's the actual business question you have to ask yourself. Okay, remove all the emotions. How long? How valuable is your time in finding the perfect, the working business system? Okay, remember all the multi-level marketing shit you went through? Okay, why?
Can I say something depressingly accurate?
Yeah.
Knowing what I know now, as awesome as my life is now in trading, knowing what I know now, 25 years ago, I would have just gone to Wall Street, made 30 mil, and retired. This is hard. Like, and we've been talking about the mental warfare that's involved. Listen, going long when the bar is green and short when the bar is red is not the hard part. The hard part is the mirror, looking in that mirror and dealing with all the mental fuckery. That's the hard part. That's the part you have to wrangle with. That's the part you have to tame. Going short and long is not a problem. Hey, look, it's going up. It's an uptrend. Anybody not know it'll go long here? It's not the hard part.
Why not? Why aren't you? Why did you hold it? They were saying that people will hold a loser 4 times the length of a winner.
Well, because it can't keep going that way. It's got to retrace.
It's got to turn around. That's right. That's right. Because somewhere when you were 7 years old, someone told you something, and that triggers when you see a red candle going against where you thought the green candle was supposed to go.
No, listen, you could be 50 years old and start learning how to trade, and that mommy didn't hug you enough shit will come up.
This is for real, and you need to listen to what we're saying, folks. Don't try to be the alpha guy because we're going to smoke you. I'm telling you, okay?
Yeah,
you got
to be a humble learner, and you got to work on that new identity. Now, while it's hard, you have to develop the mentality of, like, the most parallel thing I can think of is martial arts, right? Like, you're going to go in there as a white belt, but if you keep the mentality of a white belt, you're never going to progress. You have to look at the black belts and say, okay, I'm going to identify as a black belt, and I'm just going to practice my ass off. Now, you're going to get ragdolled for a year or two, but you have to have that higher mentality to get there. But it's not easy work. You have to put in the reps.
There's no sidestepping what we're talking about, folks.
I mean, 25 years later, I'm about 80% confident in every trade I put in. But 20% of the trades, I'm like, my butthole puckers. And it's not good. I'm still trying to get rid of it. I guess that's the human element.
The reason I went long on this was the location. What was the location? It's on my chart, actually.
Spectre, my mommy hugged me too much. Jesus. Bobby Boucher.
De Baba Boucher? De Baba.
Time to go to bed. Time to go to bed now, Zach.
Killing me. 3275 was the level. 3275 holds. I get my buy signal. I go, Kookaburra. I'm in. Smoke them. That was a perfect trade.
Jack, there's nothing gay about two men hugging. No problem.
Where is
Moving
Jack?
all targets to 45.
Is he with us?
And go full flat at 45.
Jack's on Jack's audio with us.
Okay, good. They bought the 40s.
Jack learned his lesson. He was short one of these last week.
Oops.
What was it? We had a bull runner. Jack and Lou were trying to pick the high.
Let's go. How's that working?
It didn't.
Oh. Ah, good. Now he knows.
Yep. He's very, very, very fucking talented, and as soon as he made that rookie mistake, he was just fucking wrecked, upset, very upset with himself, which is good. It's like, good. Punch yourself in the face, and then let's get on with it.
Proverbial.
If you ever find yourself saying you can't go higher, I can't go lower,
push the button.
The trading gods are going to say, bend over and spread.
It's Bohica, and just send the money this way. Okay, my P.O. box is at the bottom of sagefd.com. Just send the money. Just send it.
If you ever think yourself higher, just withdraw all your money and go buy a bottle of Jack and fucking end it. It'd be way more exciting.
It's quicker. Trust me. That's funny. People think we're joking. Go on.
I was screaming like 30 minutes ago. 33 confirms we're going to 50. So if you're sure, just cash up. Rev the money.
Let's go. Let's go. Gee, you like my entry there, though? You like how it's all planned out? If that 33
Yep.
holds, I get a little signal, shkabing, shkabang, stops 29. Come on.
Yep. That was sexy.
Rushing it. Oh. And I got in with the algorithms, right? If you look, they completed business 112 by 55 and 139 by 178 in a fraction of a second. Once it down ticked. Because you could see it opened at 17 by 51. Now, here's something I used to look at. Look at 17 by 51. Okay. One of those is prime, the other one's divisible by 3. There used to be a guy that traded. No, folks, no bullshit. Maybe Zach remembers this. I found when this guy used to trade 51s, right? Because I would watch the tape, not the footprint, but I would watch the tape. When the 51s would go by, and he would send the little code out in 51s, and then he would divide it by 17, 17, 17, and then go back to 51. On the actual tape itself, he was sending out a code to get ready for the next move. We had to figure out what the next move was. Now, they ate that algorithm alive, folks.
Decision right here.
Just make a statement. NQ has flopped negative here, but structure hasn't broken yet to the downside on NQ.
No, that's all
it's making ES bulls very weak.
Very weak.
They just give you a new price as well.
Look at 63.40. It's right on the fucking and 34.
Round number.
They just give you a new price. So if this goes, it's gonna rip fast, quick, in a hurry.
Half round.
Exactly.
G-Man, you're saying rip long?
They just give me a new decision right here because they just moved price to right here. So right now the price just went from round number, and right now they're saying the price is 40. So is it getting? Did you miss out? Meaning like if you didn't get in at round number, now you got to pay 40, and 40 gives you 6,500 plus. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, so going 44.5, I got 3 off, and then I got a runner to looks like a crime scene at 65 up there. I think Mancini 61, so somewhere in that range. I'll probably take it off. 3 points. Let's do it.
This goes right here.
Exactly.
I got 57, 80, 420. Oh, here we go.
Remember,
Buckle
Joey's 45 on the 45. Joey's 45 on the 45.
Buckle up.
So you guys notice, those of you in chat, notice that there's 5 different ways to make money, right? And we're all just making money, but we're all trading the same way. You don't see one guy. Well, Cam closed his short.
There's many ways.
There's a million ways, right? But like you don't see the us 5 that are sitting here. Cam took a short because that's his trade, but you don't see him trying to reshort and shit like that when we're already long, right? Come on. The proof is in the pudding.
The one thing you can't be doing here is be short, be adding to your position as it goes against you. That's the one thing you really cannot be doing.
You can take a stop. Okay, all right, I agree with that. You can take a stop if it's in your system. All right, I got that. Yes, I agree.
Yeah, within system, you just don't want to be. You don't want to be Toronto Eddie and be adding. Be adding and adding and adding as it goes against you.
Okay, entered on 33 when I saw the confirmation, but David A fired on the 2-minute. Are we seeing this right? Okay, so let's take a look at the 2-minute. And where's the VWAP? That's what we're missing. Is the VWAP on this chart? No. So let me put the VWAP on.
VWAP is all the way at 63.11.
Okay, so yeah, that's what we have to. That's okay. So that's why I can't see it because it's so far away. All right, so 63.33 first touch. 33.
What is it? 33 give you 52. That's what I was telling Kim, right?
Yeah, Brad. Yeah. Because the David A would be the next pullback to the 20 when it goes when we're above the VWAP. Yeah. Oh. take this. I'm going to take this with smaller size.
Zach, you just said something like, "Oh, it flipped short on the signal, it flipped short on the Q." And what time frame are you using to determine that?
On the NQ, I'm using a 30 range chart, a 30 tick range chart.
On the range. I'm sorry, that's right. Okay. Is that also in on ES? You also look at the 10 range for that?
10 range on 30. Yeah, 10 range on ES. Yeah, those are my only two charts.
Right. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yep.
My only thing up here is they give me a new price, but I like it because if we're going, we're gonna go fast. But yet again, giving the new price up here is gonna give some accumulation because now everybody that didn't get in and that know they might not get a pullback gonna have to buy it up here as well. So, or how far do we get a pullback for the continuation?
Goal already. I might shut it down.
My NQ is getting stronger to the downside.
I am in the micros on this because I'm not going to give back the big profit that I'm already in. But I am.
You watching, Zach?
Yeah, I took that off at 42-ish. I'm flat.
42-ish. Damn. Listen here, Lou.
Yeah. I just I'm getting a bunch of like stacking up sell stuff, and I just would rather pull back before I lock them all into taking longs, like they were this morning.
Bill me at 36.75.
The algo, the initial. I missed the initial entry, so I had to just override it into long mode. I don't want to leave it there because it won't shut itself down. I don't want to do that.
NQ is teasing structure to the downside.
You're looking at 215.
230 just got broke.
I see it.
And then you got 215 below it. Yeah.
215.
Yeah. The Q is giving a beautiful short. Insane.
Long ES, long MES, 41.25 target. Micros, because I'm not giving this back.
I like it. Bring some sucker shorts in. We need the fuel.
I mean, selling to close is different than selling to open. I assure you of this.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm sweeping the leg.
I need a deep pullback to do anything here, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna.
Yep.
Yeah.
33
nice
and 30 below for Joey here. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you, Joey.
Yeah, but anything under 37, Cam, might get back. They might buy it quick. Anything under 37,
Yeah.
that's what I'm watching. That's even if it goes under 37.
It's one of those days where
I
don't get my setup, and it's like, okay, gotta live with it, whatever. I don't get a setup, I don't trade.
It jumped in 3 long before I had a chance to even shut it down. I got a 1,000 volume long and a 2-minute rev bar.
Close it. Close that imbalance. I need a 40 print. I'm going in.
Yeah, I see it. And it'll sucker them. All the people trying to sell the gap.
We need them
at the wrong place.
It also didn't make a new low. Also, like 35 held. So like.
Yep.
It's gonna keep pushing.
Don't blink him. Watch 40. Failure to print 40, we might dump it some more. But 40 print, we'll just grip.
Mm-hmm. You have a flat tire at 40, 50, 40, 75. Little Gappertino up there, boys.
Right now, your number
There's
is,
no way it goes to 41.25.
right now, your number is 40, 37. 37, 40. Give me
The
40.
Atlas. 45 has 170 up there.
Give me 40 and 42.50 in a jiffy.
Complete failure. Here's the deal. Complete failure if we break, 34.50 or so?
Go on.
Come on,
I want to
push.
see this 40 trade. Come on, I'm curious.
Push.
It's either 40 or 37, Cam.
They're selling on the uptick. Cumulative delta is going down on the uptick. So let's see if they flip it.
We need them.
I'm in.
Do we shorten that?
Ooh, there he is. There he is. He's listening. He's listening. Let's go, Joey.
Zach, they took that
If
230
they didn't
stop.
hit that 45, I'd be very careful.
Micros only for this one for me. We're in God's country up here, folks. And if it's going to go up, they got to sweep this bad boy. Or was the sweep under 32? The answer is yes.
SCG, man, I need to see a longer long or a higher a higher high on a longer long.
I got you longer long.
On NQ to get excited.
I got a
You see,
I got a
you see
15
that?
and a 45-minute coral snake early warning system firing off.
They took that 230 by one tick. They said, "Oh, your stuff was right there. Thank you. Now let's go."
Thank you. Now feel free to hit that
Coral
40
snake
quarter.
early warning system.
Come on, 40 quarter.
Come on, close that imbalance, and we go.
Send it. 40 quarter, and then 40 half and 43 quarter have a hole in it. You can see it right here.
40 quarter, 42.50.
And then right here at 41 and 41 quarter is your supply. Right, folks?
Oh yeah, do it, baby, do it.
Do it. Captain and Coke. Do it.
Do it.
There's no way. There's no way it goes to 41 quart, folks. It's not possible.
Target fill. I took one off. Thank you.
I heard it. I'm being a pig.
You. Oh, you want to sell the top?
You want to sell to open at the top? Go ahead. Stick your hand out there. Come on. One more buyer. Okay, he's trying to sell 40. So the imbalance at 40 got killed, right? Filled, excuse me.
You see that whole at 40.75? They so greedy. They want to sell it so. They want to call it tough. They so greedy. They left a big hole. Come on, fill my hole, please.
Yeah, fill it.
Come on.
Smile like a donut.
Fill his hole. Come on.
Oh. Ew.
Sorry.
The market's female. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Decision right here. Decision right
Gonna
here.
say
Yeah, I
that.
missed that.
decision
I was trying to do a what? That's what she said, but I couldn't find the mic to unmute.
39.50 decision now. Smack
So
him.
much stuff. So
Smack
much
'em.
stuff's at 36. So many stuff's at 36. Look how they finished the business at 36, man.
I see it. 25, 87, 18. Come on, smack that 950 seller. Smack him. Make him regret that MIT. Make him regret that MIT. Otherwise, this is going to flippity flop here. I think it's going to flippity flimblow here. I have to take
40 again.
40. Here we go. 41.25. There's no way it can print ever in the history of ever.
I'm gonna front run you at 42.25. Sorry.
Sir, it's going to 50. Don't you see my order there, sir?
That's my run.
Yeah, I got 40, 43.75, 48 and a quarter. My targets.
I get a front run. All of ya. I just have a sweep the leg at 1 quart.
Up at 28.75.
Mm-hmm.
That wick.
Yeah, get rid of that 9.5. Smoke that 9.5. Come on. Uno más, por favor. See, he's hitting the market if touched. Every time it upticks, there's a market order for him to sell. Watch. And it's not 1-to-1 anything like that. It'll change, right? You'll never be able to figure out the math of it, right? But that's just how that's what he's doing. So that's why it keeps selling 9.50. See now we're below it. So what?
NQ.
Go ahead.
NQ.
Smack him.
Crackheads need to stay above what, 237 or something?
Crackheads.
Yeah, but right here they could make a new high, so we're either train tracks or it's bearish.
Yeah, you're looking at that 260 to get taken out, right?
Yeah.
I see you.
And it would happen quickly. You're talking about NQ, right? And it would happen quickly if it's going to happen, correct?
Right, but I mean, right now you got 2-to-1 sellers.
And that 15-minute ES chart says, well, relax just a little bit, folks.
No, I am not shorting. I'm I'm losing steam on long ideas.
46.50 up there on the 15-minute.
Good speaking.
Na 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 na. Let's all sing hey 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 goodbye to that 39.50. Come on, kick rock.
And Q loses 30, you might be in
Here
trouble.
comes NQ.
Na 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 na. I learned to not call tops. I get smoked. Somebody's lighting something.
Oh,
Boomstick.
who's on the boom boom today?
May.
Everybody but me.
You like it?
I got blow all the way down to 221 on the NQ. I guess. Haven't pitched over dead or anything, so.
They let this thing loose. My 225s in the micros
It's a
are going to get
novelty.
smacked.
I used to fall asleep mid trade. Can you imagine being in like 500 contracts and falling asleep?
675.
That's called comfort zone, my man.
It's called narcolepsy.
Oh. Tie his hair back so he doesn't fall asleep in his suit.
Trading with football helmet on.
Dunk. They're leaning on the 35s. Look at them. So 32.75 on the 5-minute. It's your test. Unfortunately, my stop is right on it. Right on it.
33 and 30 are below on the ES.
Yep. On the 45-minute chart, Joey?
They did not shut down. Dirty.
I sent you a picture of it.
Yeah, I see it.
I did.
NQ right here.
It was a coral snake. Coral snake, or they weren't.
They printed that 40.50, couldn't print that 40.75 right as G was talking about it, and then all of a sudden they pulled the bid as well as sold the bid. Ooh, sell signal coming. Ooh, hello.
I gotta.
The cops are getting ready to run.
They changed the structure at 35, so I'm watching it right now. I'm jumping out at 32.
Yeah, I got to stop right there at 32. Micros for me,
but
though.
I like this change right here too, though, because that means we got all the top colors jumping in short right here, right now.
A
Either go.
3450 sell signal.
Stay with me, G. Going. There's 33. There's a
Yoink.
snake above, though, so.
Yeah, it's going to make me not take the trade unless I get some sort of confirmation.
And Q's got a structure low that it's playing with right now.
I like the stops.
Yeah, it's a little sweeperton.
But you see how ES just keep finishing business every tick down. It's like doesn't want to go.
Yeah, and Q's your problem. It's heavy. It's heavy short.
Yep. Getting ready to fall in the danger zone.
EQ's about to flip.
$34.50 was the sell.
Bye-bye.
Bang. I'm out.
Where's the 30?
I hesitated. Son of a bitch. 31.50 1R. I took that in the micros. Minus $100. Okay, target 31.50. Bink.
They couldn't get that 45 up there. Now
Good call.
we got to go back and do some damage repair.
He's leaning into three quarter.
Yeah, but I would not sell it. I'm not selling this though. Hell no.
Yeah,
Crazy.
copy that. I'm just out of
Hell
my, I'm
no.
just out of my long here. Because they could
gonna
wreck this thing.
This is gonna go up so quick that you're gonna be like, damn, I should have bought this is gonna go up so quick.
Nakey poo, 32nd, 37.50.
Might be your ankle breaker, G.
That was definitely my ankle breaker, Joey. Damn
Yeah,
it.
32 got me too.
I give it to them at 32. I'm looking at it. I'm like, no way.
Yeah, I just wasn't going to move my stop.
I like the 29.50 as well for the stop, Joey, but I'm like, if 32 was where I was wrong, and I'm okay with it, but damn, that was an ankle breaker. Well, I should go now.
Yeah, they got me too.
I'm gonna go touch grass.
Next.
60 now. Long. Took two more. Posted.
He said, I'm going to go touch grass. Did you guys catch that? He said, I'm going to go touch grass. He said, fuck your couch. Woo! Let's go, fam. Woo. Yeah, they got me too. That's okay. There's nothing we could do. Next. Send it. Snaky poo, 37. Right after our stops got hit. I'm just glad I did it in the micros because that would have taken all the profit. Luckily, I only lost $118 there instead of 1,118. Look at that. Oh, he's gonna cry. Hey, gee, don't look at the. Don't just go touch the grass.
1 off, 5 left. Next target, 43.70.
Yeah, that was a good entry. He went back in. Look at him. Look, he went back in. Nah. Nah.
Are you crazy?
Are you fucking crazy?
Come on, baby. Hit me one more time right here.
Let's go. Right here. I need give me something because they're gonna take this straight 50s here. It's coming.
Smack him. Hit me.
You'll get filled. What is it? 41.25? What do you have?
41.25.
Yep.
Do it.
Yep. You'll do it.
Oh,
right
1 tick. 2 tick dick.
3 tick Nick.
Oh. You playing, right?
1 minute. Well, still a minute 10 till this bar closes. They need you to sweep.
Thank you. That was perfect.
Okay.
It's gonna go, but I don't care.
Oh yeah.
I got it. I got mine's back plus double.
Let's go.
Perfect market.
Stopped out at the freaking bottom. You son of a
You
bitch.
got to buy the blow. Damn it.
Let
33
it go now.
was it.
Don't cry,
33 was
you're
it.
back in now. Look at it go.
We got a red
Oh.
bar. I got 4 left. One more off.
So 33, that was the back test of 33, huh? Again, one more test. We needed one more test.
Bro, this thing's just fucking killing it today. Holy shit. Like,
Yeah.
I can't. I'm just having
Yeah,
Of
32.75
course,
on
I
the
got
5 minute.
back in.
I knew my stop was in a bad place. I just didn't feel like, it's not where am I supposed to move it? I can go all the way down if you think about it.
Yeah, because remember we had that hole at 40.75. Like there was no way they was gonna dump this market with leaving that imbalance there. No way.
Now you get your 45. There it was.
Now we can go to 50, huh? So that's what I was saying. Like that they had to sucker in the shorts because we needed to build the fuel at the top because there's no way we can just keep going straight up. So they sucker you in short, take your stop, and run it on you.
Another snake down there at 37s.
Well, I'm all out. That 42.50 didn't confirm. They took it, but it didn't confirm. So now I'm watching. Oof.
We can reject all 45 now and tank.
Oof. Yeah.
Ouch.
And watch 33. 33 to 31.50. That's your block. That fails. You got 29.50 lower, 25 major, and 20 major. I like it right here, though. This is a good zone right here. That 33 is sweet. They love that 33. They create a nice demand zone on 33 for you. So watching 33 to 31.50. Oh yeah, they took it. It's gone.
30.
I know I hesitated. Damn.
Yeah,
I hesitated
I was-
33s.
I was trying to buy 34. I put my order in, but they didn't take it. It just
Yeah,
went
that
quick.
was right where everybody's stop was. That was smooth, man. That was so smooth. Now they got him.
Yeah, they got him.
So now, do they give us something else? Do they look at the 938 by 282 at 6 even? They said,
You want to see
you.
that 40.75 print? Fast, quick, hurry.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Bring it.
All right.
Go. Go. If not, smoked.
Oh, come on, close it. All right, yeah. Close it. Got 28 seconds.
Crackheads are right on the bridge edge. They gonna jump or not?
Ooh, they sold that.
They're jumping.
They did. They sold it because that's why I wanted to see that 40.75 close because that was a nice double imbalance there. So that goes to 31.50, 29.50, 25. You don't want to see that 31.25 print. It can't. If it prints, it's blood.
Q is a lot heavier than the ES today.
And Q already changed structure to the downside after they closed out.
Yeah. And it didn't make a new high. So it's already like dropping nicely.
Yeah, 205 was it too?
Where's the bluff?
Gonna be a bluff if it doesn't hit 30.
I mean, this is your price right here. You won't know which way till we break out one way.
a long 5 still. Well, it was 4. Now it's 5 again. 41, 44.
They got to get it to
60.
print 40. Otherwise, this thing is going to lean to the right.
I have a 28.
Look at your 5 minute. 31.45, 45.31.
32.75 printed again, right? So do they lean through it this time, or is that another bounce for them to get more inventory? Wow, 1,000 at 32, 1,077 at 32. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's like, come on, get me.
31.50.
Get him, Zach.
This is chop, though. I mean, guys, let's be very clear. All they're doing is trying to buy the lows. Either they're buying to open or buying to close. It doesn't matter.
Accumulation to push higher on the new price.
I mean, on the 2 minute, we're just hitting first touch red. So, I mean, you know, we're plausibly accumulating, plausibly distributing. Lean into the right. Snake mouth. The 30-second just says wide range chop. Right? I mean, like that until that changes, what are the algorithms doing?
Yeah.
So then if it's chopping, right, do we go 32 or 40.75? Ooh, golden French fry short at highs. Yeah. Context is king. Context is king.
Put a line under 31 and put a line above 45. Whichever way it breaks out, go that way.
That works like a fart in church.
And then we one tick that 45. That's crazy.
They're leaning into the 32. They got to clear that 32 first before they do anything. Anyone short to the 32? Just be careful because like G-Man keeps saying, if it don't blink if it goes up, because look at the accumulation at 36 and 33. And then there has to be a reason he's bidding 32. Either he's trying to get a better price above or a better price below. Because he could be having 50 different other orders nowhere near 32. So those are the things I think of, right? Like, oh, everybody sees the sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. What happens if they sweep and the guy just comes in and buys? Just like the opposite. What if everybody sees buy signal, and they come in to sweep and he sells? A sweep of 33 made a lot of sense. So let's see if that's right. G-Man, if 33 completes like that, that would kind of be your trade, right? 33. Yeah, 33. Yep.
I want to see the pattern. I want to see them trying to sell it and botched it. Then I'm going to get in on the buyback.
This is going nowhere. Oh. it's going nowhere, nowhere, no how, nowhere, no how. Except for 42 quarter. 30-second, we're on par. We're at par. It doesn't need to go anywhere besides back into the snake's mouth at 37.
This is where you use it or lose it. Master patience, right here.
I'm seeing more tape, less range. So somehow the next bar or two, next couple bars is going to be the next determining factor.
All right, guys, I'm shutting it down
All right,
for
buddy.
today.
Thanks, buddy.
I'm happy with what we got.
Good.
I'll probably be listening in, but have a good one. Happy
Yeah.
trading.
Thank you, buddy.
Later, bud.
GG's.
What are they doing with 38? 900 times.
That's your price, $38.50.
Gotta get away from that 34.
Fuck, before I could shut it off, it took a fucking short.
Oh,
Now I gotta shut it off. 7 deep on a short. Let's see.
yo, whoa. Close it. He's sitting around to see if he wins. Close it. What the? Come on, man. What are you doing?
Close it and go pray.
Yeah, go away.
All right, took the 3 points.
Yeah,
It's
get
off
out
now.
of here. Get out of
I
here.
shut it off, but I'll take the 3 points.
Here comes 32. Oh, they removed the 32s, guys.
By the way, that's my 15-minute full rotation stochastics and a 5-minute divergence. That's my main
Damn, I just missed
starter
34.
signal before I turn on all the other ones. It turns on the extra ones on its own. So it could be toppy here.
Hey,
We can pull back.
if we print 40
But
now,
anyways, good luck. Yeah, I'm out. This
Thanks,
time
Ryan.
for real.
time him out if he trades again. Time him out. Watch 40 now. Watch 40 quarter now. There's no way it prints. I just tried to bid 34 and I got schlepped. Thanks, Ryan. It's a big time decision here, folks. And nobody knows which way it's going to go. If they tell you they know, yeah, careful. How many stops are at 40 quarter? Gee.
I didn't hear that that last part. What'd you say?
I said, how many stops are at 40 quarter? Oh, 11. Perfect.
Nobody knows which way this thing's going except for Mancini.
Except for and Lou. Fucking Lou. You give him some wood, he'll build you a cabinet. Okay, 40 quarter completed business. Do
You'll know
they
in 12
stand
minutes,
on it?
Jake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we do. That's a long time. So there on the 30-second chart, the inefficiency goes to 41.75, folks. On the 30-second chart, there's no way it gets there. 0% chance. Wow, it's almost we got about 28 minutes left of the stream, folks. It's been a fantastic one here.
I might as well read my book.
Yeah, that's a good one. I got the audio tape.
Yeah, I started the audio over the weekend.
It's definitely different than what we listened to, but it's exactly what we listened to, or what we're working on. 2.0. All right, so 40. They bought 40 again. Let's see if they get absorbed or if he gets paid. 922 times, 924 times.
Take me higher.
There's no way we go to 2 quarter, guys. There's no way we go to 2 quarters. No way we swept the leg. I tried to buy 33, 34. I'm old and decrepit, so I didn't get it in time. Egg on my face. Now we have a buy signal at 41.25. Get the fuck out of here. Really? Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Look,
Okay.
my algo let me in.
Oh, perfect. 36. Okay, perfect. Good.
He said market at 40. Is that the offer market? Blue and white. Yeah, pull them up. Let me see.
That's
274.
a Zach question.
Hold on.
Zach can type it in for you.
Ryan's back.
He never left. Same as it ever was. They're going to sweep this before they take it higher.
That's a boom boom.
I think he market 40. I'm trying to see, did he market to sell or market to open? I mean, to buy. I need to see 40 again. Show me 40 one more time. Go on, don't be scared.
Yeah, watch for the market if touched here.
How much more you got at 40?
There
There
it
you
goes.
go.
Okay, now market if touched. MIT. See it?
How much more
See
you
how
got?
it's spinning? See how it's spinning on a like he's running on a deck of cards at 40? Every time it prints 40, okay, 40 quarter, he hits market 40. If they're going to take it higher, they have to get rid of that first. That's called the MIT, market if touched. That's what it is on. That's what that MIT thing is on NinjaTrader, guys. It turns the order green, or what the other color.
38.
Yeah,
What was it?
they are playing with people up here, folks. They might get me on this one, and they might not. I might win.
37.7. You already won though.
Winner.
Thanks, Zach.
Okay. It's dying now. Take me to the moon. They ain't got no more. Come on now, don't do that.
Fly me to the moon.
No, these sellers are heavy up here. Wow.
But ask yourself, are they selling to open? I guess the only way we would know that is on a larger time frame, right? Breaker block, top of the breaker block is 63.43. Ooh, that's where we just touched.
Yakkies. Every tick down, they slamming it.
Leg sweep again. They bought it. They bought it. Ho! I'm going to take 2.5 points on that. 36.50 to 30. Nope, I got 38. Okay, yeah, 39. Good. It gave me 39. Okay, 2.5 points on that leg sweep, just to get the balance clear.
I like that candle.
Yeah, they bought that out of it. They really liked it. 40 half has to print. 40 half has to print because you got to clear the 40 quarter MIT. Does that make sense? They did it again. They did it again. You see it? See, it says 102 by 2. You see that?
I see that, and you got a bunch of stuff at 41.75. I want all of that.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Give it to us for Dad, please. If we say please, does it work? Because they keep selling 40, and then they give it up, right? They're not continuing to buy after the seller comes in, so they're pulling the bid. Get out of there. Fly me to the moon. Oh, you know what? I can only make so much more money in this account. Oh boy. Okay, so let's figure that out. That's real soon here.
Take me to the moon. Do I have it up? I have it up. Oh, that give me
I
57.
cannot. Yeah, I cannot push this very far. I can only make 1,200 in this account. Fly me to the moon.
Look at the 3 minute. You can see the whole fight.
Boy, I think I have to take it all off up here, guys. I don't think I can do shit. All of it has to go out at my original entry. Otherwise, I'm going to get ding-dinged.
Go ahead, bank me.
Oh, Bink me. Yeah, hey, Binkman. Professor Binkman, 42.25. 125 is going to be some stops. Look, he's still selling 40s. You guys see that? He's still selling 40s. Okay, all stops up now. Oh. Yeah. It's not that they're strong. It's that they're just pulling the bid when that 40 guy hits. You see his market order again? There he is, 93 times. 6 more. You see how he's doing market if touched? Do you see that, G? It's unreal, right? And here's the deal. That's quant, right? That's 0% latency. That's 0.00000 whatever you want to call it, and then it's artificial, right? So we can't compete with it. We just have to be with it instead of competing against it. Push, you rat bastard! Come on, go.
Damn this.
Slow motion train wreck for the shorts, I think, right? I mean, unless we're going to bink this high to high trend line right now to the tick at 40. 245 at 42. Thank you. That's what we're looking for. Everybody say thank you, 42s. And I have to go out up here. Oh my God, I have to go out. Oh God, I have to front run you guys. I'm so sorry. My account will go if I don't. I can go 42 before it goes.
Kill me.
42.
Okay.
Everybody get ready for order filled. Let's go. Plus 1170 on the day. That's going to do it, folks. Streamers, stream. Peace. Those of you in the Discord, let's roll.